Oi. Hello everyone, olá a todos, bem-vindos a mais um vídeo. Eu sei que a semana passada falhei, mas não deu mesmo hipótese, tive aqui uns problemas de conexão de internet, acho que ela já está mais ou menos, vamos lá, estão a ver, tem que ver se está tudo ok, está. Ok, eu vou dar aqui só uma mostradela do que tenho na minha bancada para vocês verem, ok? Guys, I'm going to show you what I got here on the bench right now, what I have, the news I have in my Ender Factory store. So guys, let's start showing what I got. Today I put on the site this figure. So this is a Space Warrior. Let me just put right there and right there. Okay, as you can see, this is a Space Warrior. This is from Eugene figures, and they're really awesome. I start painting this one, so let's see how it's coming out. But now I have this here for selling on the store, and of course on the web. So let's put this away. I got this one. This one, it's really awesome. This is the Lollipop. Okay, if you guys know, you know what is. It's kind of Harley Quinn type. So you got here the chainsaw right here, and you got a head right here on the sides of this figure. You have a lot of details. You have the pantyhose high, and I have letters right here, letters right here. My daughter Alexandra are painting this one, and later you are going to see. Olá, Nuno, boa noite. So you have a very simple base, but this base is really awesome. You see, you got there a skull with hair. Okay, so it's, I like it. It's going to be something like this. Okay, and I think it's pretty. Okay, let's put this away. Before the curse I have here on my store for painting figures. Okay, this is mine, and the others from, you can see the pictures, some pictures, and I'm going to post more picture of the figures finished this tomorrow, maybe tomorrow. As you can see, this is how I am doing, and it's very different of like I tell and my daughter Alessandra how to paint to our students, and this is a work in progress. Okay, so it's going to be later. Now today I put this statue on the website. Guys, you can buy it right now, and you can see it's very big. Okay, it's 120 millimeters. Okay, and it's no 100 so 15 centimeters. Okay, it's very big. You can see right here a side of one of 85 millimeters, and you can see how big this one here. So this is all aside, the base, the skull, the sword, the legs. This is another part, this is another part, and the head and the hair. Okay, it's in enormous parts, so it's easy to assemble. Okay, it's really easy to assemble, and you can see I did on YouTube 316 degrees view, and you can see there this statue. Mark, careful with the chain, so you could lose something. Olá, Mark, how are you, my friends? João, tudo bem? Boa noite, amigo. Olá, David, buenas. So, and I got this one I put on the web today too. It's a gorilla. It's really awesome, and a really big one. Oops, so let's see, I'll put the camera. So you got here the base. Okay, The base it's really good because you have the jungle type, and think it's really nice for painting, and you can paint the gorilla aside, and it's a big one. I got these gorillas in 4 poses difference. I put this today on the web, and I'm going to put the another ones on the web for you guys to see. Okay, this one it's 75 millimeters. Okay, it's a big one. So let's put this again right here. Okay, now I got these 2 figures, right? So these figures, as you can see, it's a fighter, is inspired on the Predator movie, and you can see here the chopped head from the Predator right here, and you can see some parts. So this is the version with clothes, okay, and this is the version without any clothes. Okay, you can see all the body, the boobies, and right there. So it's different. Okay, I got lots of figures of these ones, and I think these ones are really awesome. So I'm going to prime this one, these 2. I'm going to paint these 2 because I like these ones, and let's see how it went. Okay, so the today video it's very short. It's just to show you guys what I have on my bench. I am doing another things like things, and I am preparing for the course the vignette from snow. Okay, it's going to be a vignette from snow, so I'm going to tell people how to build a diorama or a vignette, like you want to call, with the products from AK for snow. Okay, and it's really easy and it's not difficult when you have the certain things to make the diorama, and it's more and more easy. Okay, past years I use a lot of baking soda, but for snow, but we have the problem with the years it starts to getting a little yellow and lose that glow. Okay, and with these products from AK, they are really nice. Okay, so guys, I see you tomorrow on another video. Let's see if I start again painting something. I don't promise anything because I have very problems right here on my street with internet connection. So I'm sorry with not some videos I tell you I'm going to do. So sorry. So, but I'm going to start making videos, recording the videos, and then I post later on YouTube, and then here on Facebook I tell you guys you got a new video. So go and see my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel, it's the Handy Man. So go there, subscribe, click the bell, okay, for receive any videos news I put. So, and I hope everyone it's okay. So thank you guys, and I see you tomorrow. Pessoal, Deus até amanhã. Desculpe lá, foi mesmo curtinho, ok? Vá, até amanhã. Tchau, tchau.